Alright guys, so Miss Lashley again. So we continue with fractions, and if we want to work with fractions, we must know how to first add fractions that have the same denominator. We did that in the video previously. We know how to get our LCM to get them to the same denominator so we can work them out. But what about if we have mixed numbers? So let us say we have 2.5 plus 1.25, right? Now in primary school you would have learned to work with your fractions first and then work with your whole numbers after. Now at the level that we are at right now, in exams you may forget under nervousness or under pressure to add back in your whole numbers. So what we're going to do is that we're going to break this down into some steps. So the first thing that we're going to do is to change these mixed numbers to improper fractions. Right? And how are we doing that? So we have 2 is the whole number and 1/2 is the fraction. So what we are doing is that we're doing it in a swooping way, right? So just like waving a wand, we're doing it in a swooping way. So we're doing it this way. So what we're doing is that we're going to multiply this way and we're going to add on top. So we're multiplying 2, remember we're going this way. So we're multiplying 2 by 2, which will give us 4. And then we're adding the top. So 2 by 2 will give us 4. And 4, let's put a little 4 outside. 4 plus 1 will give me 5. Now again, the lower figure of the fraction, the denominator tells us the family that we belong to. So we must put it back, right? So let's put back in our plus sign, and we could do this very quickly. We're multiplying this way and adding on top, and we're moving this way. So 4 by 1 will give me 4, plus 1 will give me 5/4, right? So we just change it into improper fractions. Now as we realize, hey, look, regular fractions. We don't have these yucky big numbers and fractions and whatever. So we have regular fractions now. However, they are not the same family. They are not from the same family. So just like the question before, this is 2, this is 4. Let's ignore the top numbers for now. How are we going to change 2 to the family of 4? Right? We will multiply 2 by 2 to give us 4, right? And whatever we do to the bottom numbers, we must do to the top. So let's do it. 5 2s are 10 over 2 2s are 4 plus, and we're writing this back, 5/4. Now this is pretty simple and straightforward. Now look, we have same family, same family. So now we can go ahead and add the numerators, the numbers on top. So 5 plus 10 will give me 15. And are we saying 4 plus 4? No, we are not. Remember, these are our surnames. So we have to put back the same family group or surname, right? So our answer is 15/4. Now, 15/4 represents an improper fraction, right? Improper because the bigger number, it's like a fat guy, right? He is on top of a smaller number, smaller person, right? So it's improper. So the bigger number is on top, smaller number below. So what we're going to do is that we're going to change this, just for now, we're going to change this back to a mixed number. How do we do that? This is literally 15 divided by 4. 15 divided by 4. 4 into 15, if we know our tables, right? I'll just jot this down here. You know, 1 4 is 4. 2 by 4 will give me 8. 3 by 4 will give me 12. 4 by 4 will give me 16. Now, we're looking for 15. So we're looking for the number, a number that is less than 15, right? So obviously this is out because 16 is more than 15. So the closest number, right? So 4, right? 4 into 15, right, will give us 3, right? 3 4s are 12. So putting 3 on top, so 3 by 4 will give me 12. Do my subtraction. 2 from 5 will give me 3. 1 from 1 will give me 0. Now, a lot of people confuse this. This here is your whole number. This here is your remainder. Remember, put in a little r. Now, we must never forget the family, right? So, 4 into 15 will give us 3 wholes, and 3 out of, what is the family? 4. So, as a mixed number, this is our answer. As an improper fraction, this is our answer, right? They are the same thing, but this is an improper fraction, big number on top, small number below. And this is a mixed number, meaning whole number and fraction. I hope this was a little clearer. The same pertains to if we are doing subtraction, right? Division and multiplication is a little different. So subtraction is the same procedure, right? Make sure anytime you have mixed numbers, first thing that you do, change them to improper fractions, multiplying the denominator by the whole number and adding your numerator. Jot them back down. Then we are looking to, actually this is the step next. Then we're looking to change both of them to the same denominators, right? Multiplying by the same number, top and bottom, to change them to, right? When they are the same, we can go ahead and add them or subtract them. And in order to change this to a mixed number, 4 into 15, 4 into 15, 4 3s are 12, which is the closest number because 16 is too big. We're subtracting and we get a remainder of 3. This 3 is out of 4 and we have 3 wholes. I hope this cleared up your addition and subtraction with reference to mixed numbers, right? In the following videos, we're going to do a little bit of division, a little bit of multiplication, and then we're going to do mixed operations. Thanks, guys. Keep working.